In this presentation, I'm going to provide you with 5 tips for investing in cryptocurrencies. These days, it seems like everyone is talking about cryptocurrencies and how they can make money by investing in it. However, making money by investing in cryptocurrency isn't as easy as it sounds. As a new technology, most people don't really know how to make it work for them. Here are 5 tips to help you invest in cryptocurrencies and increase your chances of making a profit. Tip number 1. It's not always good to diversify. Investing all your money into one coin is incredibly unsafe and will limit your potential. If you want to diversify the cryptocurrency investments, you have to do it right away. One of the only reasons you want to diversify is to make more money. If you invest money in a coin, don't do it merely because you aren't comfortable putting more into your current target. Diversify your portfolio because you see the potential in that coin, and you want to maximize your profits. Tip number 2. The only way to profit is by selling. It is important to remember that you only make money when you sell your current investment. If you see the value of your coin skyrocketing, you don't actually turn a profit until you move the value out of the currency. Because of the highly volatile nature of cryptocurrencies, until you transform the value into a more stable form, you haven't made a profit. Tip number 3. Don't sell until prompted to do so. Much of cryptocurrency trading for many people is dominated by emotion. Rather than making smart decisions based on market movements, many people tend to go with their gut, which results in them taking more losses than they should. Resist the urge to day trade and avoid selling your coins just because you'll make a small profit. Only sell your coins if the circumstances dictate it's a good idea. Tip number 4. Find the best way to purchase and store your coins. Since cryptocurrency is still in its infancy, its best practices aren't set in stone, which mean it might not be helpful to look up information in a guide. You still need to decide for yourself the most efficient way to purchase and store your coins. Tip number 5. Focus on profit. One of the most significant mental hurdles that you may face is the idea of profit versus the idea of being right. You don't want to just be correct in determining which coins will increase in value, but you also want to profit from them. If you don't invest in the right currencies, you won't make much of a profit. Cryptocurrency trading and speculation can be fun and even profitable if you know what you're doing. The only way you'll be able to make a profit is if you're smart about your purchases and trading.